Welcome to the top best. The best moon lamps is probably one of the most enchanting additions you can make to your bedroom, transforming a simple space into a celestial wonderland that sparks imagination and soothes the soul. Imagine drifting off to sleep under the gentle glow of a realistic lunar surface, complete with craters and subtle textures, creating an ambience of tranquility and cosmic beauty that's perfect for unwinding after a long day or setting a magical mood for any occasion. This isn't just a light source, it's an experience, a piece of art that brings the awe-inspiring beauty of the night sky right into your personal sanctuary, making your bedroom a truly unique and captivating retreat. Number 5. Base Roots Moon Phase Wall Decor. Introducing a stunning piece of celestial art, designed to bring a magical ambient glow into your space. This unique wall decor captures and reflects light beautifully. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted from hammered gold metal moons and delicate chains, ensuring a unique and original creation. The textured details sparkle and chime, adding a touch of bohemian charm. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This moon phase wall decor is beautifully packaged and ready to be given for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. Subtle details create mesmerizing shines and glistens when light catches them. It adds a captivating visual touch, perfect for creating a dreamy and stylish ambience. Arriving in a cotton bag in a craft paper box, this decor is thoughtfully packaged. It makes a lovely celestial-themed present for yourself or someone special. What we like? This piece offers a unique, handmade charm with its textured, hammered metal moons. It beautifully catches and reflects light, creating a magical ambience. If you love a bohemian style and want a piece that adds a warm, artistic glow to your space, this is the perfect choice for your bedroom or living room. What people say? The moonlight is very realistic and looks great in the bedroom. It has a nice glow and is perfect for a night light. The remote control makes it easy to change the colors and brightness. Number 4. Mind-glowing moon lamp. Create a serene celestial retreat with this 3D printed moon lamp. Adjust brightness, cycle through colors, and set the perfect ambience with built-in timer and dimming features. It's perfect for creating a calm, magical atmosphere that soothes kids. Ignite imagination with 16 dazzling and vibrant hues that captivate kids. Whether it's bedtime or playtime, these mesmerizing hues inspire creativity and set a soothing mood for peaceful dreams or cosmic adventures. This rechargeable lamp offers up to 20 hours of light with 4 dynamic modes. Its soft, calming glow ensures kids sleep soundly without fear, sparking dreamy stargazing adventures all night long. Recognized for its quality and crafted with safe, sturdy, and eco-friendly materials. Its soft, gentle light is perfect for young eyes, creating a peaceful atmosphere for sleeping, reading, or letting imaginations soar. Crafted with premium materials for lasting durability and safety. Featuring a long-lasting battery and celestial design, it's a step above the rest. It comes gift-ready, ready to impress right out of the box. What we like? This lamp provides a realistic 3D moon experience with a spectrum of 16 vibrant colors. Its easy touch and remote controls make it incredibly user-friendly for creating a calming atmosphere. If you're looking for a magical night light that can adapt to different moods and is safe and engaging for children, this award-winning lamp is an excellent option. What people say? The moon lamp is a perfect size for a nightstand or shelf, and the realistic crater details make it look like a real moon. It emits a soft, warm glow that creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere in the bedroom, perfect for winding down before sleep. The lamp comes with a sturdy wooden base that holds it securely, and it's easy to turn on and off with a simple touch sensor. Number 3. Moon Mirror Love Gothic Boho Home Wall Decor. Infuse your space with positive energy. These mirrors are designed to influence mood and bring harmony into your home. They are perfect for adding a touch of Gothic charm. Achieve a perfect minimalist Nordic aesthetic with ease. Every set includes a hanging stencil for accurate and simple installation. Enjoy a beautiful new look in minutes. Customize your decor experience. These lightweight mirrors can be applied temporarily with damage-free adhesive or permanently with a long-lasting finish. Embrace your love for goth and witch aesthetics. These lunar cycle mirrors promote self-care and positive energy. They are ideal for any smooth wall surface. Delight a friend with a unique and elegant gift. Arriving in beautiful esoteric packaging, it's perfect for those who love boho-style interior decor. What we like? This set features glass moon phase mirrors that add a touch of Gothic and Boho flair to your walls. They are designed for easy application and removal, making them versatile for decorating. If you appreciate a minimalist Nordic aesthetic with a mystical twist and want to infuse your space with positive energy, this mirror set is ideal for your bedroom or living room. What people say. The moon lamp has a realistic 3D printed surface, showing craters and mountains. It comes with a wooden base and a remote control for adjusting brightness and color. The lamp can display 16 different colors and has 4 lighting modes, including a dimmable option. Number 2. Iridescent Star Moon Garland Party Decorations. Add a touch of magic to your next celebration with our stunning iridescent garlands. These decorations feature shimmering stars, moons, and circles that will truly dazzle your guests. Each package includes 4 strings of garlands and 8 sets of cutouts, totaling 64 feet of shimmering decor. They come ready to hang, with no DIY required, making setup a breeze. Crafted with care, these garlands are double-sided and made from high-quality metallic paper. They are designed to be durable and reusable, perfect for multiple festive occasions. These versatile decorations are ideal for a wide range of themes, from birthdays and graduations to Eid, Ramadan and disco parties. They add a unique sparkle to any event. Hang them from ceilings, walls, or trees to create a breathtaking backdrop for photos or a captivating ambience. Your guests will be amazed by the gorgeous, shimmering effect. We stand by the quality of our decorations. Enjoy peace of mind with our 48-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty for your complete satisfaction. What we like. These garlands offer a dazzling, iridescent holographic effect with a double-sided 3D design. They are durable, reusable, and require no DIY assembly. If you're planning a vibrant party or event and want to create a truly eye-catching, festive atmosphere that will impress your guests, these garlands are perfect for birthdays, Eid, or any celebratory occasion. What people say. The moon lamp is a perfect size for a nightstand or shelf, and the adjustable brightness is great for creating a calming atmosphere. It comes with a wooden stand that is easy to assemble and looks very elegant. The 3D printing technology used makes the moon's surface look very realistic, with craters and textures clearly visible. Number 1. Moon Lamp 16 Colors 3D Printed Night Light. Introducing a unique night light, crafted with advanced 3D printing to resemble a realistic full moon. Its surface is incredibly close to the real moon, creating a charming and novel addition to any room. This moon lamp features 16 vibrant RGB colors that can flash, fade, or strobe, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. It's perfect for nurseries and children's bedrooms, offering a customizable and creative decorative light. Easily adjust the brightness to create a soft, comfortable glow for your child's sleep. You can also set a timer for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, providing a convenient and peaceful environment. Control is at your fingertips with both remote and touch options. Effortlessly change colors, adjust brightness, or set the timer for your perfect lighting experience. With a built-in rechargeable battery and USB charging, there are no messy cords. You can easily hold it or place it anywhere, making it a versatile light source. This versatile light is ideal for bedrooms, parties, or outdoor settings. It makes a wonderful and mysterious gift for friends and family on any special occasion. What we like. This moon lamp offers a realistic 3D moon appearance with 16 customizable RGB colors and convenient remote touch controls. It features a built-in rechargeable battery for cordless use. If you need a versatile night light that can create a romantic ambience for dinners or anniversaries, or a comforting glow for a child's bedroom, this lamp is a fantastic and practical choice. What people say. The moon lamp is a perfect addition to my daughter's room, providing a soft and calming glow that creates a magical ambience. I love the realistic texture and detail of the moon. It truly looks like a miniature replica of the real moon. The adjustable brightness feature is fantastic, allowing me to set the perfect mood for bedtime stories or a gentle night light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.